Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your home entertainment setup this year, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Android TV boxes in 2025. From powerful streaming devices to feature-packed media hubs, we've got something for every budget and need. Whether you're into 4K streaming, gaming, or just want smoother performance for your favorite apps, these Android TV boxes are the best of the best right now. And don't worry, all the product links are down in the description, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's dive in and find the perfect Android TV box for your setup. Top 5 best Android TV boxes in 2025. Tenghong X96Q TV Box. Enhance your home entertainment setup with the Wondrium Android TV from the online TV store, powered by the latest Android 10.0 OS for a smooth and intuitive user experience. Equipped with dual USB 2.0 ports, it allows easy connection of peripherals to expand your multimedia options. The all-winner H20 quad-core CPU ensures fast and reliable performance across all your favorite apps. Enjoy breathtaking picture quality with 4K resolution support, perfect for modern TVs and monitors. With 16 gigabytes of eMMC internal storage, you'll have plenty of space to store your apps, videos, and media content with ease. 4. PHONEPACE Android 13 TV Box. Experience next-level entertainment with the Smart Home Theater TV Box, powered by Android 13 and the all-winner H313 chipset. This sleek media player transforms any TV into a smart hub, offering seamless streaming of Netflix, YouTube, and more with built-in Google Assistant voice control. Enjoy smooth performance with dual-band 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for easy pairing with speakers, remotes, and other devices. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or casting content from your phone, this compact TV box delivers crisp visuals, fast loading times, and an intuitive user interface for a truly immersive home theater experience. H20 Pro Android TV Box. The H20 Pro Smart Android TV Box is a powerful media player equipped with Android 10.0, offering a smooth and responsive user experience. With 16 gigabytes of storage and support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it ensures fast and stable connectivity for seamless streaming. This TV box supports stunning 4K resolution and high-quality 1080p playback, delivering crisp visuals for your favorite movies, shows, and games. Access to the Google Play Store allows you to download a wide range of apps, making it a versatile addition to your home entertainment setup. Compact and efficient, the H20 Pro is designed for speed, simplicity, and superior media performance. Top 2. Leno DQ10 ATV Mini TV Box. The Leno DQ10 ATV Mini TV Stick is a compact yet powerful streaming device designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. Running on Android 13, it supports stunning 8K and 4K video playback, delivering ultra-clear visuals for a cinematic feel. Powered by the all-winner H618 quad-core Cortex-A53 processor and equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, it ensures smooth and fast connectivity for streaming, gaming, or multitasking. The included voice remote allows for convenient hands-free control, making it easy to navigate your favorite apps and content. Sleek and portable, the Leno DQ10 is a smart TV box that transforms any compatible display into a feature-rich smart TV. Transpeed Android 12 TV Box. The Transpeed Android 12 TV Box, powered by the all-winner H618 quad-core Cortex-A53 processor, offers a smooth and responsive entertainment experience. Equipped with dual Wi-Fi for stable connectivity and available in 32 gigabytes or 64 gigabyte storage options, this media player supports stunning 8K and 4K video playback, delivering ultra-high-definition visuals. Running on Android 12, it ensures compatibility with the latest apps and features, while Bluetooth support enables easy connection to peripherals. With built-in voice control, the Transpeed TV Box transforms any TV into a smart entertainment hub, perfect for streaming, gaming, and more. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best Android TV boxes in 2025. Whether you're looking for powerful performance, great streaming quality, or the best value for your money, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest reviews and tech updates. All the product links are in the description below. feel free to check them out for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.